Making Italian pasta salad. When it comes to pasta salad, I'm very careful because I don't love dry pasta salad or the mayo, drowning in mayo pasta salad. I'm sure you can relate. So I always make sure we have a balance of pasta with a lot of fresh vegetables, and this is Italian, so we will have some cheese, like fresh cheese and aged cheese and olives and a lot of fresh herbs and dried and very good dressing in moderation. It's gonna be really, really good. Let's do it. Here I am making my Italian pasta salad. And the key with pasta salad is to have vegetables and pretty much everything in small pieces. So I'm cutting this larger cherry, grape, whatever, tomatoes in halves. And then I'm using the bocconcini mini ones and I'm gonna cut them in half as well. Just like that. So you get more cheese in every bite with same amount of calories. And here I have my fusilli, and it's whole grain pasta cooking. And you want to make it al dente, you don't want to overcook it. And then you want to shock it with cold water right away so it stops cooking, because you don't want to add hot pasta to the salad so the cheese touches it and melts. And for salami, I would like to add a little bit of salami. I'm just using like 100 grams of salami, just to keep it healthy. For Italian dressing, I like to use just quality olive oil and red wine vinegar or white wine vinegar, some dried oregano, basil, and I think I'm going to add not to the dressing but to the salad just a little bit of heat with pepperoncini.